Welcome to Standard 4 subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn more new lesson chapter 8 punctuality. Now, we are going to learn in details. You have to listen to me carefully. Punctuality is a great quality. To be punctual means to be time for every occasion and for all the works. It enables the person to complete the work in the given time. Such a person is acceptable by all. Those who are doing the work, what all they have to do the duties in time. They are the they are all liked by everyone. Okay, accepted by all. Understood? Punctuality is great quality. Then. Punctuality can be developed only through practice. When we have to practice only, we can develop this quality. It should be cultivated while we are young. For a very early age, it should become a part of our life. To be punctual, one should be disciplined. Those who are punctual, they have to disciplined also. There should be an order for doing things. Punctuality is very essential in a student's life. A punctual student finishes all his work on time. Those who are in punctual, they have to work on that. They will finish that work on time. Then those punctual people, they have what all things they are doing by disciplined way only they are doing the works. This time I want to finish this work. Then those who are studying, you are students, the students will think I want to finish this, I want to study this one now itself. Then that way they are order and doing the work and all. And study also, other work also they are doing the punctual way. He waits for no one to tell him or force him to do the work. Nobody don't want to tell them this you want to do now, this you do, that way no need to tell them. They will do the work by themselves. He is liked by all. They are two people will liked by all. Teachers appreciate such students. Teachers also appreciate such students. Then parents also appreciate with that students. Usually lazy students are not punctual. Those who are lazy, this I don't want to do now, after I will do. That way thinking and going, they will not do on time, and they will lazy people that way they will do. They are late everywhere and in every time. They will late. Lazy people will do every work will not doing in time. They will do. They will not do in time. They always complain about lack of time because they never start their work on time. They will complain about their time. This time is not enough for us. For me, I want to give more time because they will not start their work on time. For them, a work of just 5 minutes will be a stack of an hour. Now, 5 minutes they need this. They start with time, then only 5 minutes enough. Then they are not to starting that time, they will time or want time also. That way lazy people like doing that way. They do not understand the value of they do not understand the value of time. They do not know the value of time. Then for the work of just 5 minutes will be a stack of an hour. They do not understand the value of time. They never success in their life. Now these lazy people, they will not success their life. If we do not get up early, how can we reach the bus stop on time? We are not getting up early. How then we can reach the bus stop early on time? Surely you will miss the school bus. The school bus also will be miss you. You will be late for school. Late comers always cause disturbance in the class. Those who are coming late, they are disturb the class also. Okay, students, this class, all of you I hope understood this class. Then we have to punctual in time. That is telling the this class is telling about punctuality. Okay, then you have to read the lesson, and after remaining lesson I will take next class. Then you have to read the lesson, that is for the homework, and study it. What is punctuality is the great quality. You have to understand the lesson, read and understand it. That is homework. Thank you, children.